Come test drive the 2005 S-Type. S-Type is Jaguar's smaller rear-drive luxury sedan. Typical options include a weather package with Jaguar's anti-skid dynamic stability control and a sport package with computer-controlled shock absorbers and high-speed tires on 17-inch wheels. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, mini spare tire, rear parking aid, rear-wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.